Dramatic visuals captured on camera after sirens in Tel Aviv caused panic among residents. Residents were seen running across parks and roads, frightened by the alarming sounds of sirens amid the escalating situation between Israel and Yemen's Houthis. The Israeli military said, on March 23rd, it had intercepted a projectile launched from Yemen before it crossed into Israeli territory as escalation between Israel and the Iran-aligned Houthis continue. Sirens sounded in Tel Aviv as residents were seen running for cover at around 7:25 a.m. local time. There was no immediate comment from the Houthis on the incident. This came after Hamas' claim of their political leader Salah al-Bardawil being killed in an Israeli airstrike in Gaza's Khan Yunis. He was killed while offering prayers with his wife, said Hamas officials. This came as a major blow to Hamas after Israel resumed its military operation in the region. On March 21st, the Houthis claimed responsibility for a ballistic missile fired toward Ben Gurion Airport, near Tel Aviv, which the Israeli military said it intercepted. The group recently vowed to escalate attacks, including those targeting Israel, in response to U.S. strikes earlier this month, which amount to the biggest U.S. military operation in the Middle East since President Donald Trump took office in January. The U.S. attacks have killed at least 50 people. The Houthis are part of what has been dubbed as the Axis of Resistance, an anti-Israel and anti-Western alliance of regional militias including Hamas, Lebanon's Hezbollah, and armed groups in Iraq, all backed by Iran.